Hey, it's Mrs. Healing back with another video assignment. This one is discussion lesson 6, classical conditioning, where you get to learn all about slobbering dogs. Okay, pretty awesome stuff. Before we get into that, I've got a joke for you. You ready? What was Forrest Gump's password? Ready? One, Forrest, one. Get it? Run, Forrest, run. If you don't get the joke, you're gonna have to watch the movie, I guess. Fun fact, I haven't actually seen the movie before. I just know the Run Forrest Run reference and think it's hilarious. Okay, here is your discussion prompt. You ready? So you're gonna watch another video for this one. This one is all about Pavlov and his experiment with dogs and food and getting them salivate and everything he learned from that. Super fascinating stuff, really critical in psychology and all the theories there. So you're gonna answer each sentence in at least answer each question in at least one sentence each. And by the time you're done with your post, you'll have at least 6 sentences. So, question number one, I just want you to summarize the results of Pavlov's experiment. If you watch the video, that should be super simple for you to do. Number two, share an example from your own life where you were conditioned to respond a certain way to a sound, smell, or other stimulus. If you can't think of an example from your own life, you may share one you have witnessed in someone else's life. So, for example, my dog runs to the door every time the Alexa makes a chime sound because she learned that when it makes that sound, it means the delivery prime driver has the Amazon driver's dropped off a package. So she thinks there's a package every time Alexa chimes, so she runs to the door to bark and see what's going on. So she's been conditioned in that way. So think of an example in your life where you've been conditioned or one where you've seen someone else be conditioned and share that example there. Number three, what was the conditioned stimulus in your example? If you don't know what that means, go back in the reading and it talks all about the conditioned stimulus. And if you still don't know what that means, reach out to me and I will give you some help. Number four, what was the conditioned response in your example? Same thing. It's talks all about that in the lesson. So you shouldn't have to do a lot of outside research for this. You really shouldn't have to do any. It should all be listed right there for you and help you. Number five, what is an example of a negative way classical conditioning could be used? And question number six, what is an example of a positive way classical conditioning could be used? Here's the rubric, how you're going to be graded. So you get 15 points for summarizing the result of Pavlov's experiment, 15 points for sharing an example from your life where you were conditioned to respond to a stimulus, 10 points for listing what the conditioned stimulus was in your example, 10 points for listing what the conditioned response was in your example, 15 points for analyzing a negative way classical conditioning could be used, 15 points for analyzing a positive way classical conditioning could be used, and then, of course, you got a grammar and sentence requirement where you get 20 points for writing at least 6 sentences, double checking your capitalization, your punctuation, your spelling, all that good stuff. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm here for you. And good luck, guys.